Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Come on, you dumb thing. Freaking work. Come on, you dumb thing. Freaking work. You need to freaking work right now. There's my skin. The infamous skin that nobody else is allowed to copy. Okay, let's go ahead and find a world. You know what, let's create a new world. Let's go to create a new world. Let's name it. There we go. That seems like a good name. Seed. Okay, let's do some research on the scary seed real quick. Actually, there is one that I do want to do. RELEN. Okay, there's that. Fire. Let's go to show coordinates. Okay, let's go ahead and do this video. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's Wolf. Jumping back in it again with the Minecraft, guys. Yep, with Minecraft. I wanted to film a trolling video today. I really did. But everything was going against it and whatnot, and it was like, it was like, ugh. So let's go and get some wood. No, we are in the scary seed called Relentless. I don't know what's up with this seed. Supposedly you're supposed to spawn underground. But I think I spelled the seed wrong. So I'm going to be doing another seed. Basically the same type. Already we're hearing cave noises. Is there a cave nearby? There is. We'll have to remember that. I just heard zombies already. No, I'm not dealing with zombies already. No. No. Cow, come here. Thank you. To be honest, guys, I don't know what's scary about this seed. But if y'all do have information on scary seed, feel free to let me know. Because I want, and as usual, guys, I do want to point this out. If y'all do wind up seeing something that I were to miss, like, say, a block change beside me, or something along those lines, feel free to screenshot it and DM it to me. Shoot, I even have a Discord server y'all can put it on if y'all want. Yeah, don't. I knew I was not gonna make that. Okay, so we're tree traveling at this point. What is that? Okay, this has got to be a world edit. This looks like an actual world edit glitch. I kind of don't want to be near a cave right now. Something's telling me don't go near caves. Dang, big boy. But yeah, guys, I kind of don't want to go by the caves right now. But I do want to set up camp right around here. That's odd. So we're going to set up camp like right here. What's with all these caves? Yo, I've never seen a world with this many caves, basically back to back. There's even one up over there. Okay, so we got spruce trees here. Got another cave right here. I'm not seeing any iron by the looks of it. But anyways, guys, this is weird in itself right now. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this is weird in itself. This right here is weird in itself because let's go ahead and get some oak planks. That way we can make some sticks and a crafting table. Put the crafting table down. Let's go ahead and grab ourselves a axe and a pickaxe. Let's go over here and start mining trees, shall we? Okay, so like I was saying, guys, if y'all do want to wind up seeing more videos like this, let me know in the comments section. Because I do, contrary to people's belief, I do actually reply to comments. I do indeed reply to people's comments. I know it's weird. People think, oh, you're weird for replying to people's comments. No, it actually engages my viewers. That's what I do. It engages my fans. I enjoy engaging with my fans. They're like, honestly, they're like family to me. Well, I overshot that one. But hey, I still made it up here. Haha, losers. Okay, so there is indeed in fact, another cave right here. Yo, I could turn this into a house. Bro, I could actually turn this into a house. Now that I think about it, I can actually turn that into this cave into a house. That's actually what I might. That's what I might actually wind up doing. But yeah, guys, if y'all do wind up seeing anything that I were to miss, feel free to take a screenshot of it and send it to me via um guys, that's going to wrap up this video. That topped the cake right there. My Minecraft has never done that to me. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for coming out. Be sure to stay fantastic rest of your day. Peace out.